Please like, share, and subscribe.
2007 Corvette Z06 finished in Victory Red with ebony leather interior with red bolsters. This is a very clean and well-kept car, stock with the exception of the head unit, and the C6 ZR1 style wheels, which are 18-inch front 19-inch rear, just like the Z06 wheels would be, same width as well. Engine, 7-liter V8 SFI. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Includes short throw. 3.42 limited slip rear axle ratio. Wheels, 18-inch by 9.5-inch front and 19-inch by 12-inch rear. Z06 Premium Equipment Group. Driver and passenger frontal and side impact airbags. Radio, AM/FM stereo with CD navigation XM satellite. XM satellite radio. Bose Premium 7-speaker system. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Enhanced acoustic package. Rear compartment area cargo net. Memory package. Recalls 2 driver presets for 6-way power seat, outside mirrors and telescoping steering column. Driver and front passenger heated seats. Manual tilt and power telescoping steering column. Universal home remote includes 3-channel programmable garage door opener. Located on driver visor.
Please like, share, and subscribe.